My name is Kylie, and I'm a Communications Officer for the Waterloo Region District School Board. Today we are speaking to Shawn Boyes, a construction technology teacher at Huron Heights Secondary School. Thank you for joining us, Shawn.
Thanks for inviting me.
Tell us a bit about what construction technology is.
Well, our intention is that students learn how to design, construct, and maintain the buildings and structures that we live in and work in.
And what is your learning focus now that we have moved to distance learning?
We have really boiled down our curriculum to those essential learnings, what we call the big ideas. What are some of the things that we can get the kids to do, see, and explore safely in their own homes and their own communities?
Can you tell me about some of the ways that you have engaged your students as you shift from in-class learning to distance learning?
Well, I feel like a brand new teacher again. I'm trying to vary what I post to keep it timely and fun, but I'm always wanting to make it applicable to those essential learnings we've identified. I started small. I asked them to compare some tools that they would purchase, like a cordless drill. Then I gave them $1,000 virtual dollars and I said, go shopping. Outfit yourself a toolbox that you would use as a carpenter on your first job on a construction site. As the weather got warmer, I encouraged them to go outside. I created a scavenger hunt for them. All of the items were construction related and could be found in and around their own homes. Yesterday, I really got out of my comfort zone and I shot some video of me doing some basic tool-free maintenance around my own house.
What has been some of the feedback from your students?
Well, I started to receive some positive notes. They appreciated what I was doing, how I kept my lessons fun. That just fueled my passion, and I knew that I needed to ramp it up a little bit. That relationship that needed to be maintained, it was so important, and often that was the reason why the kid took my course in the first place.
If there's one thing you might share with parents and caregivers just to reassure them during this time of distance learning, what would that be?
If you or your son or daughter needs some one-on-one instruction or just to see a familiar face, please reach out. The same learning opportunities are available. It's just a different landscape.
Well, thank you so much, Shawn, for stepping out of your comfort zone and joining us today on this interview. We wish you all the best in the next coming weeks.
Thank you, Kylie. It was my pleasure.